I'm your friend, you can talk to me. And the thing is, everything is cool, you know. What is going on? Pablo, I'm not a baby. And even wine can like. Just tell me the facts.
I'm not whining you because Sophia and this aspect and I'm not happy with it. Just because you have to kill I'll call you. So I can stress, you know, cool me along. I don't even understand how woody me uncle. I don't even know why, but you were vibing with it. I'm not vibing with it now.
So Pablo, they tell me ita me fang niyo ku yandi mo la ku la ñun dunia fa nañu lef problème mo be siar inte ñame imi fan sa dini mo la fo Sofia la ku because ntani Sofia lo wo mamba so you know what make me be peace dealer if I'm born DJ because this war is between me and her ugly friend. It's between us.
Yeah, so Sofia this is gonna be a disaster to her. You understand? I'm telling if you wanna listen to me, huh? Either when you kill a quote, I'm not into that. I'm feeling one of us. I'll make it. Why? Bantala, forget
have to pay back.
No, there's nothing like to pay back.
I will pay back.
Until I get advice, you can
Pablo,
when I advise you can advise Lankal Lamoy, understand? Forget about this fight with Sophia. Among I talked to Sophia. She was not, I'm not happy about it. I would think I'm not happy about it. If I don't want to hear about it. You understand?
Pablo, I wish kabrin ñu ben mel so sabaka ref light center e ben disgrace ka mol be tambele ben jibel foy ka jël ni atar ifan ken sama tok ko ba ni atar itala will you comme babla la slide ba
inte ku ma be slide mi atam be ite ku ma kan la slide min yalla ku ma kan dal mi nga slide I just leave it inte ka tan ditolo ko tan man kilin tam mo chottal ndam into this
you know that conversation is not even important it's between me and them so you know send day dala be siri. So let's talk about something else because they're not even important. I'm going to deal with them like in my own way. But for them, let them chill for now.
Imagine the time how many days man target na tanong phone.
It doesn't mean to love.
Tara bisaw wala no.
Ano ba bisaw? Ha, hale bisaw.
No, it was just business people, you know. So mole renju sa. Ni wal diam day renju for $20,000 tomorrow somebody bisaw to come back. So I spent like not some just you know. Came back, not just 3 days like you cook happen.
But you don't have to be sad.
No, it's okay, I'm cool in there.
Give me your hand. You'll be fine, yeah? Pablo, not to come in for you. You look cool as yet. You look up and down, you look cool there. But then I'm what? I'm even ready to give you a chance. Because I don't mind.
Give me a chance, come like that.
You don't know what I'm talking about. Listen, you and I know. So
ite alon tanita tambitamin ne. Ite imbre kantala. Sophia nata na chance din tala.
That was
she made me smile. Yung konta ninda kujma tani. So
Pablo, umunong ko malti. Yella so Sophia jan. Abala ko bala mbela nyim bangko kan halafta femfe wa filan basan na bulo kono. But it is important. Like we can really make things work out. But if you are ready, because I'm not going to force you to do anything.
Yeah, no.
So, but if you are not, it's cool. I don't mind. But you can think about it. Hey. And tell me the truth that you don't love me. Because I know you do.
Because nta boss natin nagko-complain ito. Pablo kami na siya. Pablo man nasi huli kami na siya.
Singa di amo, please.
Please. Man nasi huli.
Please, I say please. Please.
Ika min siya nta la sa koda.
Please nga di amo Eric, please.
Pablo, wili nga ta.
I said please.
No, ila moy malafika wuri kan because ko nga wuri kami na bukadi amiye. I'm keeping calm. Yajel.
Being calm is good for you.
Mbena temper mutakan.
Because if you talk, I'm going to beat you up. Yes, you think this war is over between me?
Sona.
This is just the starting.
Ida, akamu de ma ida iman karande. Ngamin kela hani sa ima kara.
Kwanta multi bin kara.
So ngada. No ngada.
Pablo malafika wuri ka. Nta man na jam puro nencha ka kadia. Nada ka diam am.
What is like a road? Because if you talk anyhow or you behave anyhow,
Sona, please.
I'm going to beat you up.
Sona.
Ita hani sai man karande.
No, Sona.
Mana kela hani sai me.
Sona. See, please.
You they feel me? And you see this thing, it's not going to work. And by the time I'm done with you, darling, ban na konto mo so.
Bete entala diam buka siade.
Ikatu diam ken sangol, you're just ranting. Ikatu diam ken sangol. I want you to show me proof. Ndede ba mala jang because Pablo lebe siri.
I will just get the hell out of here. Tell me baby mission inside. Mbola.
Bring it on.
No problem. Pablo,
Bring it on.
Ito ko man ta si jang. Na dan te tele.
Etel min be so di minka. Intala ba.
Sona.
Sona. Dimi. Abedi mi kan dam basara.
Comedian no tiola.
Iya, venna.
Kaka nyinke, please.
Ito man la phone nin chago ko yo sa. Pablo na te tele no.
Chaka ni woni chaka keba.
Sona, kaka nyinke. Sofia.
Pablo, are you going or not?
No, mbakata.
No problem. Willing ata ita la ko len sida willing ata.
Sofia, I'm not going. Mbakata.
Di man tara ta kan Pablo. Ni ya je te nyim fengo min basirin da benta disrespect la Pablo ita.
You can them about disrespect.
Me dem disrespect ko.
Ite what I ite ngade yang kadiam ya ka wurun ka ika to them, they would never do it.
No
because you don't give a shit.
No problem. So you decided to choose a prostitute over me?
Yes, a problem with them.
Nta tono bombi yalan kanyi moyle ko fanka madi moy ka tinyale farati because of what they have.
Very rich.
Sona, please, mbala lengi dan. I want to tell you something. Mba fene fole yamwe. Sofia la take mekini moy. Ntem foro to bali foro na fo dakan. Yana sa, mu foro nyawo nya judu ne yam ko la fala. Ile fanka ma yawo nyawo nya ni defo ni defo wani defo bi alta nyamo ko nta don't give a shit.
Ika fon tele ni fama tanya.
Andala songa be no
problem.
Nde all I need is respect. Ni man da respect la.
Nta ni te juma disrespect Pablo.
Ite kan tan disrespect ko wur. Ite you are on what give me na kelo ite ni
awa. Kiliano ba ko.
Ite ni awa ke ba kelo le ke na kele. Ite ni ngi be ta kele ite mi an ko to ke ite mun da muso la tamin futula.
Very stupid. And ite ni diam tan haswe ka. Ite kana juma la futu. Ite imatu bang. Ite kana juma la futu Pablo.
Sona.
Adiata ntele ania fun sa repeat.
Ko take disrespect. Afelantin jami.
Sa repeat.
Alku kanja bal kanji.
Ito ke mi me dimi ka mo male kan. Ikonda mu chago di baranda chago ntele kamano ta. Tede nan tele. Chagan ni ka chaga ke balo. Min ka dara wala ndalla ka bula nyono ma. You see? Pablo, nana mami re ko ite benta disrespect like in this way. Ah? Ntani ite. Pablo, whenever you are sad, I'm trying to be nice to you. I do everything for you. Honey, man can motivate me but I give you listening ears. But what are you doing?
Listen, so
you want to disrespect me in front of your that small man from back man lanya. It's not your fault, it's my fault. Tamin kana nanja. Wa rich brad tanate. Michael, you know, I just want to next time. Nonsense.